Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we discuss probability distribution function. So, what is probability distribution function is if capital X is a random variable, then the function f of x is defined as capital F of x equal to probability of x less than or equal to small x. So here this x is nothing but it has two different type of random variable. One is discrete, another one is continuous random variable. Okay, is called the distribution function of x. Similarly, we define the probability distribution function on y. So if capital Y is a random variable, so here either it is discrete or continuous, then the function f of y is defined as capital F of small y equal to probability of y less than or equal to y is called the distribution function of. Okay, so these are called probability distribution function of x on y. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.